This new tool identifies visitors on your site, even if they don't fill out a form, and then sends a comprehensive report summarizing the most engaged companies and the channel they came from. It's free and easy to install. All you have to do is connect your email address and then install a script on your website. Once the script is installed, Clearbit's IP intelligence technology will immediately start tracking visitor IPs to gather company details into a stylized and interactive report. The report is updated weekly and delivered straight to your inbox. In the report, you'll find a summary of your traffic packed full of actionable data. For example, here you can see which companies are visiting your website the most, and even which pages they visited. From there, you can go one step further and break out your traffic by channel to see how organic traffic compares to social or paid traffic. We've also included rich firmographic data in the report, so you can see if target accounts are visiting your website or confirm that your latest demand program is indeed driving the right type of visitors. Now, visibility is really just the start. For marketing and sales teams alike, this information can empower you to directly impact pipeline and revenue. By doing simple things like notifying reps when target accounts are on your site so they can take action. It can help you uncover intent to plan timely outreach and improve ABM efforts. It can also help you improve user experience by understanding which pages and channels are driving value for your visitors. So whether you're an early stage startup or a large enterprise, or even if you just have a personal website, the weekly visitor report is an easy, free way to better understand and convert one of your most valuable assets, your web traffic.